Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy TOSHI Meme Coin. In order to do this, I'm going to use the Sigma bot and I have given you the link of Sigma bot down in the description. So if you want to use Sigma bot, then you can use the link, and if you click on that link, then you will be redirected on this page. Now, if you don't know about Sigma bot, then I have created a detailed video on this topic. So you can go through that video first, and after that you can create your account on Sigma, and then you can start your sniping process or your buying process using Sigma bot. Now, once you are on this page in your Telegram, you will have to press the start button in order to get the main menu. And once it has shown you the main menu, you will have to click on the option of auto sniper. If you click on it, it will ask you to paste the token address. So we need to get the token address. For that, you will have to open your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to search for CoinMarketCap. Then you need to use this search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for Toshi. Once you have found Toshi, you simply need to click on it in order to get on this overview page. Now over here in the left hand section, you are going to see a bunch of different information relating to Toshi coin, but you just have to scroll down and you need to copy its contract address from here, which is on base. Then you need to go to your Telegram again and you simply need to paste the address over here. Once done, it will say that this is a Toshi coin which is based on the base chain, and it will show you the address that you have just pasted over here. Then it will show you its pool information and a bunch of other information relating to Toshi coin. Now over here you can start the buying process. For that, you will have to select the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase Toshi coin on Sigma bot. In order to purchase coins on Sigma bot, you need to have Ethereum in your account. So make sure that you have deposited enough amount of Ethereum in your Sigma bot. After that, you can select the wallet that you want to use to proceed to the transactions. Then you can select the gas fees, and you can even add the slippage if you want. They have also given you the option of limit order, so you can click on the limit order and then you can select the limit order condition from here. So you will have to click on the buy button. This much amount of Ethereum will be deducted from your account, and you are going to see and you are going to get the equivalent amount of Toshi Inu coins in your account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.